Before we begin, do I have your permission to use this video for educational purposes on the internet?
Yes.
Thank you. So tell me a little bit about your journey with your back pain.
Okay, I've had back pain for years. I'm guessing probably 15 years, and it's always led to more medications to treat it. And it wasn't until I started having trouble with walking and could no longer walk even a half a block, severe pain, trouble sleeping at night, life wasn't like it used to be, and I was used to doing a lot of things, and I saw Dr. Abbasi online and thought this is a better way to do the surgery. So that's how I ended up here.
Okay. Was there anything that triggered your back pain? Maybe a fall or picking something up wrong?
No, it was just degenerative arthritis that the disc got smaller and smaller until there wasn't enough structure to hold them in place, and they were slipping and sliding and causing all kinds of issues.
Sure. And what were some things that you weren't able to do because of your pain? You said walking.
I wasn't able to go for walks. I wasn't able to walk out to my garden, and back was just an extreme pain. And so gardening was a no-no. We used to go for walks in the woods, and that had dwindled to just sitting and watching the birds at the nature center on a bench. So yeah, and then we ended up getting a little dog, which didn't go well. I had to give him back because I just could not care for him, leashing him up, taking him outside and walking him around, and broke my heart because I've never given up on a dog. I've always been able to work through the tough times, but it was just too tough.
Well, I have a really tiny dog, so I know how those.
Yeah, those little dogs, they just get so attached to them. Yeah.
Oh, I know. Seriously. And what were you doing online when you were looking for Dr. Abbasi? Were you looking for a surgeon, or did you just come across it?
I went online. I went there because my neurosurgeon in Mason City had told me, because I'd had a laminectomy 2 years prior to that I needed to wait 5 years before I got a fusion, because fusion was such a big deal, and you're going to have more problems afterwards, and recovery period is extremely painful, and all this. And so I thought, there's got to be a better way. There's got to be somebody out there that's doing something new that's going to work better. And then that's why I was online, and I'd seen Dr. Abbasi and the testimonials and the procedures videos that he did, and I thought, this is better. This has got to be better than what they're doing down there. So That's how I got here.
So then you had your procedure. How long ago was it?
I had my procedure December 1st, so that was 6 months ago.
Do you remember how many levels were done?
I had, my surgery was level 2, 3, 3, 4, and 4, 5.
Okay. Did you have it in the surgery center or the hospital?
We had surgery up in Alexandria, Minnesota.
Okay. Did you go home the next day?
I went home the next day, yes, and we drove 4 hours home, and I just got out and walked every hour, and it was fine, really. They do an amazing job with pain control and the medications that can get you through the day, and yeah, I thought it went pretty well.
And how are you feeling now? Tell me about life after your surgery.
Oh my gosh, my life now, I can do anything I want to do, really. Only 6 months out, and Dr. Abbasi tells me I gotta just take it easy, but I just don't have the pain. I can walk as long as I want to. I can stand for 2 hours and not be bothered. I can garden. I can, we were at a park, and we went in a very hilly area, up and down the hills for 2 hours, and I could have never done that before my surgery. So yeah, I feel like I'm 15 years younger, at least 15, because my back just doesn't even hurt now.
I love it. That's what I love to hear.
Yeah.
What did I miss from your journey that I didn't ask about?
Well, the only thing I haven't mentioned is how wonderful my husband has been. Now cry now.
Oh.